This is a breaking news public service announcement from Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium. I'll tell you the truth from where I see it. In the world today, on this planet Earth, there are conflicts, there are things happening across the globe that we can't always change or affect or really know anything about, right? Well, you may or may not know that a lot of double-edged blades are made in the good old Russia. That's right, I said it. Russia. Russia, Russia, Russia. And these blades, in my opinion, are some of the nicest blades ever to grace the double-edge category. Some of my favorites. I won't lie at all. Some of my favorites. Now, this Russian factory is located in St. Petersburg, and it is owned by none other than Procter & Gamble, P&G. And word on the street that I heard is that this plant is getting wound down. Wound down. I know what wound up is. That's what my kids are after a Pepsi. But wound down. What does it mean? I don't know. Is the plant closing? Not sure. But I was told by some of our sources that blades like this from Russia will be no more. They will be gone. That production of these blades is already in progress, moving to other places like India, like China, other places where Procter & Gamble already owns factories and makes other lines of blades. But these rusty blades, some that you have come to love and know, will be gone. And I am here to tell you, we have the supply. We have the meats, so to speak, says Arby's. I say we have the blades. We have the Russian blades. Come to us. We have Russian blades. We're not judging. We're not doing politics. We're not doing your news cycle about Russia. What does this mean, winding down? What does winding down even mean? Is the factory going to close? I was told that they can't even get money in and out of Russia, that there's international monetary restrictions about wiring money, and so that's why the factory has to wind down. Maybe at some point when things are back to normal and the war or whatever is worked out, maybe the factory will come back online. Maybe it won't. Maybe you should have a supply of Russian blades in your bathroom. We got the blades. We have a good amount of inventory, but I've been told that when our inventory runs out and we go to order Gillette Platinum next time or Perma Sharp next time, you will not see made in St. Petersburg down here. You'll see made in China, made in India, somewhere else. So, will it be the same blades? I don't know. Will it? I don't know. Who's to know? But if you think that the Russian factory has some of the secret sauce, which I think it does, get them. Get them now. Get them while it lasts. You've been warned. This is a public service announcement. I'm Matt Pisarcik, signing out. Oh,